Nag-attend po ng aking media launch for Ikaw Pa Rin, my new album, and I'm just so blessed to have all of these people who have been supporting me ever since, the Dianatics and my friends, and also the people from the media as well, and my Star Music family.
And Darren, malapit-lapit na rin yung As of England mo. Ano yung song sa album nito? Ang excited kang i-debut sa kanila? Siyempre, first time na maririnig live yun.
Hopefully po, siyempre yung Anab magawa ko sa As of Birmingham. If not Anab, baka yung Di Makaramdam, but I'm not sure yet. We'll see. We'll try. Opo, yes, and there's so many songs that we have lined up, so sana magawa ko din siya sa Birmingham for ASAP.
Okay, and then Darren, i-follow up naman natin. Para kayo ba yung Ikaw Pa Rin mo?
Yes,
fans ba?
Yung Ikaw Pa Rin really is dedicated sa Dianatics, kasi when we were coming up with an album title, parang wala po akong maisip, and then the Star Music team went through all of the songs, tapos sila na yung nag-suggest din na parang what if Ikaw Pa Rin? So it's something you can dedicate to the fans, kasi 8 years na rin po akong walang bagong album na nirelease. And after 11 years, andito pa rin po sila. Kasi 2017 pa yung huli kong album. So Ikaw Pa Rin yung napili po naming title.
Parang kanina, parang niloloko nila ng mga Showtime family mo si Jackie nung kinakanta mo na yung sana tayo na lang, parang
paano kung tayo
na lang. Kamusta ba yung love team niyo sa Showtime ngayon?
Alam niyo, natutuwa po kami ni Ate Girl Jackie. Si Jackie talaga ay isa sa mga naging ka-close ko na rin sa Showtime fam. I feel like we're all so close to one another, and ayun, sobrang grateful ako kasi sinusuportahan nila ako. Yun si Jackie, andito kanina, si Sean, si Kuya Bong, si Kuya Jong, Kuya Teddy, si best friend Ryan. So ayun.
Do you find her attractive? Hindi ka ba napipikon pagka nilolokan ng show?
Hindi naman kami nagkakapikunan eh. Parang it's all part of the fun that we have as a family. Tsaka syempre si Ate Girl, si Jackie naman talagang yung visuals niya panlaban din po talaga. So
Darren, after 8 years, what made you decide na, okay, I really want to have an album na this time, pour yourself into your own. Yung album kasi, very ikaw, very Darren, from the visuals to everything.
Opo. Yun nga parang when I signed with Star Music back in 2023, yun yung isa sa unang naging missions namin was to release an album. And parang hindi ko kasi siya ginagawang priority dati, but now it's about time. 8 years na yung nakalipas, so we really wanted to be able to release an album by this year, kasi parang dapat 2023 pa lang mag-release na kami ng album, but nade-delay because of the schedules and stuff like that. So we made it a point to be able to release etong Ikaw Pa Rin this year.
Hindi ba itatry yung acting uli? Kumaga, marami rin nakakami sa'yo dun sa mga pag-acting mo in the movie.
Okay pa po muna ako. Okay pa naman po ako for now sa singing. At saka, yes, sa hosting. Lalo na sa Showtime, it's an everyday thing. Also ASAP. So I'm very lucky to have all of those for me right now. And also, kung may tamang acting project po na dumating, why not? Kasi I really had fun also doing Can't Buy Me Love. And yung short stint namin ni Cass also nung MMFF with Miss Vilma and Sir Christopher. So, ayun.
How's your friendship with AC? Hindi ka ba, nalungkot ka ba na siya yung unang-unang naibig at nakaramdam ng inyong kanta?
Opo, siyempre nakakalungkot naman talaga na maibig ng isang kaibigan sa PBB House. But also, there are so many things that are blessings in disguise. Like, feeling namin, if it's meant for you, it's meant for you, and it's just part of AC's destiny. Kasi paglabas niya ng bahay, we were talking about how so many opportunities came along for her and Ashley as well. Paglabas nila ng bahay, and ayun, parang iconic moment din kasi yung paalam muna sandali tas si AC. Si AC yung unang naging meme sa eviction, silang dalawa ni Ashley. So yeah, it's something we all didn't expect to happen when she went into the house. Pero that's, you know, that's what it is.
Darren, how do you support her na parang paglabas niya ng PBB House, parang medyo nakasama daw because parang bumaba yung kanyang mga followers, ganyan, because of what happened inside, parang ganyan. How do you support her dun sa ganong bagay? As a friend.
Parang yun nga, sabi namin, so many people hit rock bottom, and when you hit rock bottom, there's no other way than to go up, and that's why we're just letting her do her thing. Sinusuporta namin siya. We try and do our best to be there for her all the time, and we just keep telling her to, you know, take things slowly, just do what you can with your talent, kasi she's such a talented girl, and we all believe in her talent as well. Tsaka I feel like day by day she's redeeming herself din naman.
Then, would you be willing to be a housemaid?
Alam niyo po, ilang beses na rin akong tinanong po talaga eh. Pero parang okay na po ako sa outside world.
Na-offer ka mag-audition or na-offer ka before?
This is the third time na ano po, tinanong ako from Star Magic, pero okay na po ako sa outside world. Parang okay na yun. Tsaka ano naman po, na-experience ko nang pumasok sa bahay ni Kuya as a guest judge and also as a guest performer. Pero siguro kung ano, house guest, kung matutulog doon for a night or 2 nights, why not? Yeah,
Bakit
para
Darren?
experience.
Ba't ayaw mo?
Wala, parang ayokong ma-experience yung wala kang yung social media, wala kang ibang magawa sa bahay, kayo nang nag-uusap. Feeling ko okay naman ako maggawa ng mga house chores, ganun, pero mas feeling ko taong labas po talaga.
Hindi ka mapilitin sa AC kasi makakasama mo siya, yung friend mo, di ba?
Hindi naman, opo. At kasi naka-NDA din sila, so nabigla kaming lahat na papasok ka pala. So ayun, opo.
Thank you so much po. Sorry, meron
Thank
po kasi
you.
sa shoot na, ayan.